Witness the rebirth of a legend. Pure luxury meets raw power. The ultimate Bugatti super yacht. Silence the ocean.
Seems we have an agreement.
Yes, sir. It's a deal.
Watch the cable slack. Hold it right there. We're set on this side, ready to lift. Lower the main hoist. Easy on the tension. Got it. Guide it into the slot. All clear on the main deck. Roger, maintaining course. Shut her down easy, we have the guides ready. Move that brace to the left, slowly. Watch the turbine housing, keep it clear. Watch your footing on level 4. Copy that, moving the scraper now. Move the platform to the next section. We're almost done with this quadrant. Watch out below, debris falling. All right, bring her up. Steady, steady. Watch the clearance. Move the platform up to section 4. Clear on the port side. Starboard side clear, take it up 5 meters. Watch the line, steady now. Watch the starboard side swing. Keep tension on those lines. Lower slowly.
The structural integrity scan shows significant fatigue here.
Cross-reference that with the thermal data from the flight recorder.
Confirm masking on the starboard nacelle is secure.
Roger that, Alpha. Starboard is taped and ready for inspection.
All clear on your side.
Clear on the bow. Lift steady.
Subscribe to the Car Restoration Master channel for more amazing vehicle content. We explain every detail of this incredible craft. Enjoy the ultimate power on the water.